I'm Shagun. Welcome to this webinar. And I hope that you have enjoyed yesterday webinar, which is about build ecosystem. And as we are gearing up for our build hackathon, which is happening from 26th November to 30th November. And I'm incredibly excited to have you all there as a part of our journey. So today in this webinar, I'll introduce you to Kalp Studio ecosystem, which will definitely going to help you to build with us. And by the end of the session, you will all have a clear understanding of how to use Culp Studio, from connecting your wallet to deploying smart contracts, and how our suite of tools can supercharge your hackathon projects. So let's get started and let's move to Culp Studio console website. So yeah, first of all, I'll be explaining you what is Culp Studio and how is it helping to be, to bring you a decentralized Web3 infrastructure platform. So it's a one-stop platform for blockchain development. Whether you are deploying smart contracts, managing APIs, or integrating with multiple blockchains, we provide a comprehensive ecosystem to bring your ideas to life with minimum hassle. So our tools are designed in a way that you can save your time, you can reduce complexity, you can just focus on innovation rather than tedious, technical steps which you follow in other platforms. So let me show you. So yeah, from here you can scan this, and this will take you to our website, Culp Studio website, where you can sign up. And meanwhile, while you scan this QR and go to the website, I'll give you the idea of brief the idea of our products, that is Culp Instant Deployer, API Gateway, and we have Tokenify for tokenizing real world assets. We have Asset Track for supply chain solution, and we have private blockchain support. So I'll be briefing you these products soon while moving along. Before this, I'll showing you ecosystem products. We have Culpify, Stoics, and NiftyQ, MyAverse, and MyIPR. So these are the ecosystem products which have various multiple use cases. Through Culpify, you can actually tokenize your asset, and you can put it on, you can trade your assets, your tokens on Stoics. So yeah, these are the products which you can explore on our website. We do have separate websites for all of them. You can just explore over there. So now heading to console. We'll be heading to Culp Studio website. So from here you can log in, you can sign up and create your account. And as I am already having an account, so I'll be going directly to console. Okay, so this is the dashboard which is showing you all the products, and I'll be guiding you through all our major products. Okay, so we have KS storage, which is a very important feature, and it's a very powerful feature actually in ecosystem, which is designed to streamline all your storage needs, and it offers a single interface for managing multiple storage accounts. So whether you're working on whether you're working with IPFS, for decentralized file storage or other compatible storage services, KS storage actually manage everything from one unified platform. So with KS storage, you can focus on your project without worrying about, switching between storage providers or dealing with integration complexities. It's all about efficiency and control, and this will manage your data seamlessly during hackathon and beyond. Okay. So now we have Culp Instant Deployer, which is a very standout feature of Culp Studio. And it allows you to deploy smart contracts with just a few clicks. So here in this webinar also, we'll be deploying one smart contract through Culp Instant Deployer. And I'll be showing you how you can get your API endpoints, how you can get your endpoints to use through API Gateway. Okay, now we have NFT Creator to create and mint unique NFTs. You can explore these products through Explore option, and we have API Gateway, which is a very important feature of our ecosystem, as I already told, and it acts as a bridge between decentralized applications and the blockchain, and it provides a secure and efficient way to interact with on-chain data and execute transactions. And you can have a customizable endpoints based on your project needs. And with API Gateway, you can build scalable applications, which you'll definitely get an idea about in our next webinar, where you can, build a app with us. So you should join next webinar also. And so yeah, we have Token Studio, which is simplifying the process of creating and managing tokens for ERC20, 115, and 721 and 3643. So you can explore these products. I'll be taking your attention towards essential products, that is Kalp Instant Deployer and API Gateway. But before that, I'll be showing you the backbone of any platform, which is uh, documentation. So we do have Kalp Docs. So as you all know, it serves as the backbone of any platform. And we have step by step instructions for everything from setting up your wallet to deploying contracts. We have code examples. We have provided you the snippets. You can have a look in dev documentation where you can this can guide you through SDKs, which we have for Golang as well as for EVM smart contracts. So we are having multi blockchain support, and so you can have a guide for building smart contract, how to write, test, and deploy and interact with smart contracts. We have templates, pre-built templates, so it will guide you to our pre-built template documentation as well. KRC to 20 token, 721 token, and 115 token. Okay, so we have article section. You can explore this smart contract and Kalp Golang SDK. And we do have very interesting feature, that is video tutorials. So you can have a look over these video tutorials, which will keep you guide um, to log into Culp Studio and how to subscribe to Culp Studio products and how to create wallet on Culp Studio and how you can connect wallet on Culp Studio. So basically, you need not to recap this webinar while you're building during hackathon. You can just have a look on our documentation, which is very briefly designed, and it's very extensive, so it will provide you everything in one place. You can have a reference over here. Okay, so now I am going back to our console. Okay, okay, now we'll be deploying a smart contract with us, and then so for that we need to go to KID, that is Culp Instant Deployer. And before that, we need to connect wallet. As you all know that we need to connect wallet to interact with blockchain. So yeah, Curve Studio makes it incredibly easy to connect your wallet. And we support popular wallets like MetaMask, and we support social logins, and we do have our Curve Studio wallets. And we are also securing your transactions and that are processed through your connected wallets. And with a simple click, you can just connect your wallet and view balancer and start interacting with your deployed contracts. So yeah, before deploying a new contract, I'm guiding you how you can connect your wallet. I have already connected my wallet, so I'll be disconnecting, and then we'll be going to create new wallet. Okay, so from here you can create new wallet, and you can just create self custody wallet, custodial wallet, and we do have MPC wallet. So for now, I am creating, suppose, custodial wallet. You can select a blockchain, a type of blockchain you want to build, you want to interact. And for now, I am selecting, suppose, Culp DLT and test it. Okay. So in this way, your wallet is created successfully. and you have successfully received 50 guinea in your wallet, and which is as for initially with to build with us, to interact with us, we are providing 50 guineas as a faucet in your wallet. So you can have created wallet with you. And now I am connecting my Google wallets. Okay. Okay, again going back to the step of deploying a contract. Okay, now we'll click on deploy new contract. You can have a look how easily you can deploy a contract with us. Suppose I'm giving it a name, NF. Okay, 20. All right. And you can select a category from here. So I am selecting NFT as a category. Description is optional for you. Okay, you can upload your file, whatever smart contract file you are having. So maximum size is 50 MB, and we have supported formats. You can watch here, star and tar and zip. So you can upload your file from here. For now, I'll upload the smart contract from templates, from pre-built templates. So yeah, we have pre-built templates, which are built on ERC standards. So it is KRC 20. It's 20 token. It's a fungible token. So you can have a descriptive, documentation of these contracts. So it's also provided link over here. This will guide you to our documentation. So you can have a look over here. Okay. So now I am actually deploying this KRC 20 token contract. All right. So it shows your smart contract has deployed successfully. So its status, from status, you can check that still in pending state. So you have to wait for a few minutes to get it deployed. And from here, you can check your things, which is the name of contract, what is the category, and what is the status, and what is the network, blockchain, and timestamp. Okay, so it's in pending state. I have already deployed this contract. So I'll be guiding you to now API gateway. As this is the contract which we have just deployed, which is in pending state. I'll show you how to generate endpoints. So you can generate endpoints from here. You have to click on generate endpoints. Okay. So you have to click on smart contract ID, and now it will provide you the smart contract address and all the API endpoints. So in this way, you can get ready-made API endpoints over here, which is very easy interface. I see. And from here, you can copy these endpoints and you can test these endpoints. You can interact with these endpoints. You can have interaction with your smart contract through these endpoints. So I'll show you, as I've already initialized this contract. So I'll show you how to mint your token. Okay. So here from here, I've copied this URL. And now for params, from check params, you can have your API key. So this is already I have created, but you can create your API key, which is API key generation. It's given here. You can create your API key from here. Okay, so I'll copy the API key. And all you need to put in for params, you can copy from here. Okay. So you can also check what all the input parameters this API needs. So you'll get it from API gateway, and it requires amount in int. So I'll put it in the amount which I want to mint. Okay, it's showing an error. Okay. Okay, I see this is not initialized, so I'll initialize it first. So you can copy this URL, initialize URL from here, and likewise, you can initialize your contract providing the required parameters. Okay. So initially, for initializing this smart contract, it requires name in string. So I am providing a dummy name and providing the symbol. It's in a string, so you can just put any type of name for testing. Okay. So yeah, you can see that the transaction is successful, which is initializing our contract, and it is also providing you the transaction ID. So you can just copy paste this transaction ID and go to the Explorer, and you can check this transaction. You can verify this transaction. We have Kalp Explorer for Kalp DLT built interaction, and for other blockchains, you can test. You can go to the explorers. Okay. Likewise, you can mint your token from here. You can copy this URL and you can paste all the required input parameters from here, and you can interact with your smart contract. So, yeah, for further information, you have to stay tuned for our next webinar, which is going to happen tomorrow. And it's about how you can use these endpoints and how you can build your dApp with these endpoints, how you can integrate these endpoints and build a front end and back end integration and build an interesting dApp with us, because you are having hackathon and it will help you great. And before ending this, I am encouraging you to start exploring the platform today only, and sign up and connect your wallet and try out the features that we have discussed just now. And so that during the hackathon, you'll be able to build faster, smarter, and with less hassle. And I hope you have enjoyed this webinar, and soon you'll get the links of major URLs of Culp Studio website, and you can register on our Build Hackathon website, where you can register now. Registrations are still open till 30th November. So yeah, thank you for joining this webinar, and I can't wait to see the incredible projects that you'll create with us. And let's innovate and build the future of Web3 together. And if you have any questions, you can ask to us, and you can post your questions in chat. And for further things, you can scan this QR, and you can join our Discord community, where our team will be there 24 cross 7 to guide you with us.